Let's have a quick look at these Baker Signature stainless steel mixing bowls. Now, these were sent to me at no charge so that I could check them out and share my thoughts with you. These are made of high-grade stainless steel, meaning they are probably going to last for generations. And you may or may not be aware of the fact that restaurants use stainless steel mixing bowls. And the reason for that is they are non-porous, they won't stain. You can put tomato sauce in here, leftover spaghetti, whatever you're going to make in here. It's not going to stain this stainless steel bowl. These high quality stainless steel bowls are dishwasher safe. Plus, you can put the lid on and put them in the refrigerator to store leftover food. Now, one thing I really like about these stainless steel bowls is that you can nest them together like this so they won't take up much space in your cabinet. When I put these out to get ready to make this video, I thought to myself, this is the perfect gift. And that's because they're probably not something people would go out and buy for themselves, but it's the kind of thing that's going to last for generations. So if you're looking for a high quality, practical gift that you can give someone that every time they use, they're going to think about you, I recommend you give these a try. Thanks for watching.